guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Welcome to another CVS deals video, and this is the second week of this ad cycle. I'm going to announce the winner of the $25 CVS e-gift card in this video, so keep watching, and I'll pick another winner from the comment section of this video and announce it in my next Sunday video. And the rules are still the same. Be a subscriber, leave a comment and like the video, and good luck to everyone. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find more deals. The first deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any Polydent or Polygrip products. Pick up 2 30-count Polydent 3-minute cleanser, priced at $3.99 each. Both will total $7.98. Pay that and get 5 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back, and Oral-B toothbrushes are part of this deal. The cheapest one my store have is priced at $4.99. Pick up 2. Both will total $9.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You will pay $6.98 and get 5 back, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. This deal is a limit of 2, but we only have 1 digital coupon. If you don't want to pick up the toothbrush, you can pick up 2 Glide Floss Picks, priced at $4.69 each. Both will total $9.38. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $6.38 and you get 5 back, making them just $1.38 or 69 cents each. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on any Biotin product. Pick up the 8-ounce mouthwash, priced at $5.79 each. Both will total $11.58. Pay that and get 5 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. Russell Stover sugar-free products are on sale for 25% off, and when you buy one, you get $1 back. I found this one priced at $2.79. With the 25% off, it will be $2.09. Pay that and get $1 back, making it $1.09. The next deal is buy 2 get $1 back on any Hershey Kisses mini share packs 7 to 10.8 ounces. And they're on sale for 2 for $10. Pick up 2, pay $10 and get $1 back, making them just $9 or $4.50 each. Dr. Scholl's Clear Away Wart Removers are part of buy 1 get 10 back and is priced at $13.79. Pick up 1, pay $13.79 and get 10 back, making it just $3.79. And if you have percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal to make it cheaper. My next deal is spend 8 get 3 back on Clean and Clear Acne Care. Pick up 1 Clean and Clear Acne Toner, priced at $7.99. And that's within the 98% rule for spend 8, and make sure your store follows that. We have a $2.50 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.49 and you get 3 back, making it just $2.49. Suave deodorants are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. And they are priced at $3.99. Pick up 2. One will be full price and the second one will be $2. Both will total $5.99. Pay that and get $2 back, making them $3.99 or $2 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any St. Ives body wash. Pick up 2 and they are priced at $6.49 each. Both will total $12.98. Pay that and get 5 back, making them $7.98 or $3.99 each. It is time to announce the winner of the $25 CVS e-gift card, and the winner is Jesus is the Reason I Live. Congrats, and please email me so that I can send you the e-gift card. Thanks to everyone that commented, and thanks for all your support. I will pick a second winner from the comment section of this video. All you have to do is subscribe, comment and like this video, and good luck to you all. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 10 back on Tresemme hair care, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 1 28-ounce Tresemme shampoo, priced at $7.99. Then pick up 2 16.5-ounce shampoo and conditioner, priced at $6.29 each. These 3 will total $20.57. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you will pay $15.57, get 10 back, making them $5.57 or $1.86 each. The second option I have is to pick up 1 Tresemme Extra Hold Spray, priced at $10.79, and 1 Tresemme Shine Spray, priced at $8.99. These 2 will total $19.78, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Make sure your store follows the 98% rule. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $14.78 and get 10 back, making them just $4.78 or $2.39 each. I have a 4 off 20 Garnier hair care CRT and I'm going to show you how to use it. But before I do, I will explain each deal by itself. The first one will be on Garnier Fruities. They're on sale for 2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you will pay 5, get 3 back, making them $2 or $1 each. The next one is on whole blend shampoo or conditioner, on sale for 2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. Pay 5 and get 3 back, making them $2 or $1 each. To use the 4 off 20 Garnier CRT, pick up 1 Fruities leave-in conditioner priced at $4.99. These are on sale for 2 for $8, but if you're picking up just 1, you will pay the regular price, which is $4.99. These 5 items will total $20.99. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon for the whole blend, 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Fruities, and 4 off 20 Garnier CRT. That will take off $10 and you will pay $10.99 and get 3 back for the whole blend and 3 back for the Fruities, making all 5 items just $4.99 or $1 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back, and Aussie Hair Care is part of this deal. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.79 each. Both will total $11.58. Pay that and get 5 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. Gillette Shave Foam is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. And it's priced at $3.89. Pick up 2. 1 will be full price and the second one will be $1.95. These 2 will total $5.84. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $1.84 or 92 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 1 get $5 back, and Jolene Cream Bleach is part of this deal. Pick up 1 and it's priced at $6.99. Pay $6.99 and get 5 back, making it just $1.99. And if you have percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, this will be a money maker. The next deal I have is spend 15 get 5 back. Pick up 2 Cottonelle flushable wipes on sale for 2 for $9 and a 3-pack Kleenex tissue on sale for $5.99. These 2 will total $14.99. We have a 50 cents digital coupon for the Kleenex and it will drop it down to $14.49 and you get 5 back, making them $9.49 or $3.16 each. The next deal I have is spend 30 get $10 back. Start by picking up a Tide detergent on sale for $14.99 and 1 Tide pod on sale for $5.49. Pick up 1 Downy fabric refresher on sale for $6.99 and 1 Febreze small space on sale for $3.99. These 4 items will total $31.46, and all the coupons for this transaction is on CVS app. There is a $3 coupon for the Tide detergent, a $1.50 coupon for the Tide pod, a $1.50 coupon for the Downy, and $2 coupon for the Febreze. The 4 coupons will take off $8 and you pay $23.46, get 10 back, making them just $13.46 or $3.37 each. If you like the Tide powder detergent, you can switch it with the liquid. It's still the same price at $14.99. The total will still be the same of $31.46. The only difference with this deal is that the $3 digital coupon is not attaching to the powder detergent, but if you have Coupon 24 app, the $2 there is attaching to it. Use that $2 coupon, a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide pod, another $1.50 digital coupon for the Downy, and a $2 digital coupon for the Febreze. That will take off $7 and you pay $24.46, get 10 back, making them $14.46 or $3.62 each. The last item I have is a wired earbud on 75% clearance, originally priced at $9.99, but now it's on sale for $2.49, and this will make a very good filler item. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.